Hey everybody, welcome back to another Stitch Fix video. This one is a little bit different this time around because it is a Stitch Fix kids box, which I am so excited about. We have done in the far past, I would say maybe 2-3 years ago, more than 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, a Stitch Fix men's unboxing for Brian, and we were just like, yeah, we can't really do Stitch Fix men's anymore because everything they sent was so good. He wanted to keep everything, and I just knew it would always be like that. And so I came up with this brilliant idea recently that I should sign Avery up for Stitch Fix Kids with the intention of probably buying everything because kids' clothes are just the best. So I wanted to give the Stitch Fix Kids a try, and I'm really impressed with it. I know kind of the bare minimum of it, but it is under the same like terms of Stitch Fix where you pay a $20 styling fee. And for the kids, I'm not sure if it's every time, but I would assume so. Instead of 5 pieces like an adult Stitch Fix box, they get sent 10 pieces. I want to go ahead and assume that it's because the pieces are cheaper than the adult's clothing, but the prices are still a little bit, maybe a little bit higher than I would normally spend on clothes for Avery or Reagan. Typically we shop at like Target, Carter's, or Old Navy. It's been mostly Old Navy for their clothes, which can be anywhere from like $5 to $20 for like a really nice dress. So that's kind of where I stick to. But the prices weren't terrible for Stitch Fix Kids. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it. Avery has not, as of me currently filming this video, tried anything on yet, but there will definitely be a try on because I am so excited. All we've done is just kind of dig into the box and look around, but I haven't really played with anything too much. So I'm excited to show you guys everything right now. So the box is a little bit messed up, I do apologize, but the first difference I noticed is that the box actually has the yellow Stitch Fix Kids logo on it, whereas like the adults get the green, which I thought was kind of cute and different. We knew it was for Avery. And then, like I said, I kind of just like dug into this box. It was wrapped up like all the other ones where it was like really cute. So the first thing in here was something that I kind of had to hide from her because I wanted to show you guys, but there was some stickers, which I thought was really cute. I don't know, just this sheet of stickers, which I'll put over here so she can play with those. And then you did get this little card that's basically saying get your kids ready for back to school and looks you know they'll love, which is cute. Everything's dropping. And then in this envelope, I have a Welcome to Stitch Fix Kid little pamphlet, which basically just explains how Stitch Fix works. We'll pick your favorites, we'll send items handpicked just for you, tell us what you think. Within 3 days of receiving your shipment, complete the survey, rate the items, send it back, all the stuff you don't want, things like that. And then we have her little pricing sheet, which I will keep out. Oh, fix number 1 for Avery, that's so cute. And then we have her styling card as well with a little thing on the back that's like find the robot, and then it's a note from her stylist, which is cute. Her stylist's name was Lori, and yes, that's all of that. So the first thing in the box was actually this really cute little shoe bag, which I thought was really cute. I'm just like a sucker for kids stuff, so like obsessed. And then the pair of shoes that she actually got are the Western Chief Lucy sandal. I was not sure of what size to put. I put a 12 and I know that's wrong. Like these are massive, so I'm gonna have to adjust her size. Like I said, these are the Western Chief Lucy sandal in red, and these are pretty cute. They're like little waterproof, like ladybug sandals. These are actually, well, they might fit her. She has really big feet, but these are really cute. They're little waterproof shoes. They have a little Velcro, which is always convenient. She needs new shoes, but she needs more like sneakers right now, so we are going to be sending these back. And the price on these was $18, which I actually don't think is too bad for shoes. So we are going to be sending these back, but they are really cute. And I feel like this entire box was mostly just her stylist trying to get a feel for her style since it was her first box. The next things are so cute. Again, I don't know what I was doing with sizes. I mean, this feels like her size, but Avery's just so like long and skinny that I feel like some of this stuff she's gonna grow into, which is not a bad thing because we know she's gonna grow. Like for me, it'd be kind of a bad thing, but for her, it's not too bad. So this is the Play 6 Chansley fleece joggers in pink. These are so comfortable. These are super cute, like little jogger sweatpants. Like I said, they are in pink. These are $22, and honestly, I don't think that's too bad. I feel like the price is actually, the most expensive thing was a dress, but all of the prices were really like pretty relatively normal. So these are really cute. I feel like we probably are going to keep these just because they're very comfortable. She can like lounge around in these when she's doing virtual school this year, and I don't know, I just feel like these are really nice. Even going to school in person next year, I still feel like she could wear these if we go in person next year. I don't know. This is a Stitch Fix video. I don't know what's going on. So anyway, I really like these. I do think we are probably going to end up keeping them. The next thing I don't really think is Avery's style at all. I actually really don't like this too much at all either myself. This is from the brand Stella in Sienna. It's the Malia Sport Stripe Dress in Coral. This is $28, I believe. Yes, $28. It's this little like, I don't know, just really flowy, kind of like summery spring dress. It has like the weird lines on the side, which I feel like don't really flow with the floral pattern at all. Avery was not a big fan when we opened this one. She just kind of like passed it over and just wanted to keep looking at everything else in the box. But I mean, it's cute. It's just like not Avery style. So we will probably not be keeping this. We're definitely not keeping this, but it's still cute. She'll still try it on for you guys. Okay, this next thing is like so Avery style, and I wish they had this in my size because I really like it. This is the Crown of Hearts Miley tie front tee in mustard. I mean, come on. It's this little like tie-dye mustard white little tie front shirt. So stinking cute. This is 16 bucks. I feel like if this was my size, I would so wear this. This is so cute. I love this a lot. She's definitely keeping this, and it's so soft too. It's like, it feels really, really nice. So we're definitely keeping this. I think she'll be able to wear it this year as well as next year. So this is definitely a keeper. This next clothing item we are probably going to keep. Granted, it fits her. Like I said, we haven't tried anything on yet. This is the Joe's Jeans Marquee Cut Off Denim Short in Indigo, and these are $24, but they're just like a really nice, this is so tiny. I feel like I'm doing a Stitch Fix for myself and I'm like, these are so little. Little nice pair of shorts. I mean, I feel like she always could use some more shorts. They're just actual denim. They're not like a jegging material. A lot of the shorts we get her have like the jegging elastic band, but these are like actual jeans. Super cute. They're mid-rise, which is always nice because she's so like long and lean. She needs a little bit of longer shorts because her legs are so long, but these are really cute. We are probably going to keep these. Granted, they fit, but I feel like they will. And they have the, oh, sorry, they have the thing on the inside that a lot of clothes have that I really like, where you can make them tighter. So this could last her 2 summers because we can make it super, super tight for this summer and then loosen it up as the summer goes on. So we're probably keeping those. This next clothing item I'm kind of on the fence about. This is the Runway, the Active Woven Jogger in black. This is $24. These are really nice, just like classic black. They feel like a sport material, like kind of like an Under Armour material. Jogger, really nice. It has pockets in both the front, no, not in the back, but in the front. Realistically, I would have kept these, but we have 2 cats, and this type of material, cat hair just clings to, and because she's all over the couch, all over chairs, like running around, rolling on the floor, cat hair would just cling to this so quickly. So I don't know if we're gonna keep these or not. I really like them. I mean, shoot, I like these again for me and my size, but I don't know. I'm just like scared of the cat hair clinging to these. So this is a maybe. We'll see how cute she looks in them, but she looks so cute and everything. It's a little bit difficult, but this is a maybe. We'll see. Next item, when I opened it up, me and Brian kind of laughed because it's been quite a few years since we put Avery in a cardigan. The last time we put her in a cardigan, I think she was 2, and she looked so cute, but she looked like a little grandma. It was so sweet. This is the Rummy and Ryder, the shawl cardigan in navy. This is $20, but it's just like a basic, average, like loose cardigan. Really cute. I mean, I think it's cute, but I just don't know if I would put this one on Avery. There's another one that's I think a little bit cuter, but it's just like, I don't know, it has a really nice material, really stretchy, really soft. I feel like all of these clothes are really soft, but I just don't know if this is like Avery's style at all. I feel like so weird being like, is this Avery's style? But I'm not quite sure. So like I said, this is probably going to be a no, but it is really cute. The next thing is from that same brand of dress that I didn't really like before, and I think I might just not like this brand because I don't like this dress either. It's from the Stella and Sienna brand. This is the Medea knit maxi dress in pale yellow. This is $26. It's a very long, I mean really long maxi dress. This isn't a size 6, but I feel like this would probably be next summer, if not the next, like 2022, because like I don't know if she'd be tall enough. Actually, this might fit her now. I don't know, I always underestimate how tall she is, but I'm not the biggest fan of this. Again, this was another thing she really just kind of like reached over to see what else was in the box. So of course she'll try it on, but we probably won't be keeping this because this just like isn't isn't my jam, and I don't think it's hers either. Okay, so the next item is another cardigan that I really, really like, and it's so cute, and like, oh, I really like it. Okay, this is from Design History. This is the Jarita Varsity Cardigan in light pink. This is $24, but this is so cute. So it's like light pink with like the little sport kind of stripes on the side in gray and white. It's like a sweater material, so it's super warm. The reason I think that I don't like the other cardigan is because it's more of like a spring summer material. And for me, I just don't, like in the spring summer, she's not gonna wanna wear layers. Like she's just gonna wanna be in like t-shirts or tank tops or dresses and call it a day. But I feel like this is nice for the fall because on those like November, December in Texas days when it's like a little bit colder in the morning, but she can take it off in the afternoon, I feel like this would be really nice. And it's like warm and nice, and I don't know, I really like it. It has pockets in the front. Super cute. We're probably gonna end up keeping this because I really, really like this. Like again, I feel like I dress Avery more like myself, so oh well. And the last thing in this box, I don't know if we're gonna keep. I have not decided. This is the Hippie Girl Kamala lace hem short, again in indigo, excuse me. This is $24. Again, it's just another pair of shorts, but it has some lace along the bottom, which is really cute. Again, this might be a maybe. Like I said, she does need shorts. And does it have the... It does have the little stretchy bit on the inside, which is always nice. So we might keep these just so we have like more pairs of shorts for next year. And it's cute. They have the little lace detail in the pocket as well. So I really like these. I thought they were super cute. So out of the 10 items in the box, I feel like keeping 5 and a maybe on the joggers, a 6 is actually pretty good. Keeping like 50% of the items. Like I said, I love all of these. Kid boxes and like kid clothes are kind of my weakness. I was kind of contemplating signing Reagan up because the smallest size that they start at is a 2T, and she can kind of fit into 2T stuff right now. So if you'd like to see a Reagan box, I will definitely do that because I'm a little bit excited to put a try on Reagan. She is so cute. But yeah, Avery's gonna try all this stuff on. Like I said, we'll probably keep those 5 items, and then, you know, maybe the joggers. I just don't know with the cat hair. Like, I have a pair of joggers just like that, and I mean, I wear them once and just cat hair everywhere. So I'm really happy with this box. I'll give you guys the totals. So if we were to buy everything, it would be $226. But like I said, if you buy everything, you get a 25% off discount. So we save $57 or $56.50. So then our total would be $169. And then I'll talk about this in my next Stitch Fix video too, but I did sign up for the Style Pass, which is $49.99 for a year, and you get as many Stitch Fixes as you want, or as many fixes as you want. And this apparently applies to kids ones too, since she's under my account. So I would also get a credit of $50. So I would realistically be paying $120 for all of this stuff, and I think for 10 things, $120 is not too bad, especially because it's all really good quality stuff she'll grow into, and stuff she can wear next summer. So not terrible at all, honestly. So yeah, I think for Avery's first fix, that was really exciting. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know. I do think I want to do another one just to see what she gets as far as like fall, kind of wintry items, because she really doesn't have any fall winter stuff right now. We have to go shopping anyway, so like it'd be fun just to get a box of like mystery stuff. So let me know if you guys liked this and if you'd like to see another one. I hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.